Okay, here we go, baby. It's the birds. You remember the birds? They're right over the house right now. Check them out. They just one by one come into reality. Right over me. That is not birds. People, that is not birds. It's not birds. See how they go in and out when they turn? See how they fade out black and then they chrome. See, he's going around in a spiral. Yeah, Mike from Kentucky had this same shit. Well, I think right over me right now with a spiral. That is so cool. That's not birds. And this is the same thing that was happening when I was at Goodyear. These birds, when they started spraying, these freaking birds would just come out into reality on their own. And you can see they come in one by one. You can count them. And like I said, one showed up. Here comes all other things gonna fly right into the birds. Let's see. Where is it? I saw it. There he is. Let's see if we can get him. Like the birds. There's tweet on. The bird show. Weird shit. All right, let's see what we got here.